You sit through meeting after meeting, and every single time, the real work starts after the call ends. You're rewatching recordings, copying notes into docs, manually building reports, formatting slides, spending 4, 5, maybe 8 hours a week just turning conversations into something you can actually send to a client or share with your team. I've been testing a tool for the past few weeks that completely eliminates that middle step, and honestly, the quality of what it produces caught me off guard. So in this video, I am going to walk you through a real workflow where I record a live meeting and then use TicNote Cloud's AI agent, called Shadow, to turn that recording into finished deliverables. We're talking a structured summary, a full PDF report, an interactive web page, and a mind map, all generated from what was said in the meeting, plus documents I uploaded into the project. This isn't a feature tour. This is me using it the way you'd actually use it at work, so you can feel the difference for yourself. Let me show you how it starts. Scene overview. The problem. Here's the reality for most professionals right now. You've got meetings scattered across 3 platforms. Decisions get made verbally, and then nobody can find them 2 weeks later. You're sitting on hours of recorded calls, but the only thing you ever get out of them is a basic transcript and maybe an AI summary that misses half the context. Tools like Otter and Fireflies are great at the capture part. They record, they transcribe, they summarize, and then they stop. That's where they end. You still have to take that transcript and manually turn it into whatever your work actually requires. The report, the proposal, the follow-up email, the presentation, and then there are tools like Notion and Confluence that are great for organizing documents, but you're starting from scratch every time because they have zero meeting context. TicNote Cloud sits in a completely different position. It doesn't just capture your meetings. It understands everything across your entire project, and then it builds the deliverables for you. The meeting goes in, the finished work comes out. That's the shift that matters, and let me show you exactly what that looks like in practice. Building the project workspace. First things first, I'm creating a new project in TicNote Cloud. I'm calling this one Q2 Content Strategy, because that's the meeting I'm about to record. Think of a project in TicNote Cloud not as a folder, but as a complete work unit built around a single theme. Everything related to this topic, recordings, documents, PDFs, videos, AI-generated outputs, all lives inside this one workspace. Before I even start the meeting, I'm going to upload a couple of supporting documents into the project. I've got a PDF with our current content performance data and a Word doc with last quarter's strategy notes. Shadow is going to use these as context alongside the recording, which means the outputs won't just reflect what was said in the meeting. They'll be informed by everything in the project. Live recording demo. Now here's where we capture the actual meeting. TicNote Cloud gives you a couple of options here. For web-based meetings on Google Meet or Teams, you install the Chrome extension and hit record. No bot joins the call, which is a huge deal because nobody wants that awkward TicNote bot is requesting to join notification killing the vibe. For offline or PC-based meetings on Zoom or Lark, you just click record directly on the TicNote Cloud website and it captures your system audio. I'm going to record a strategy discussion right now so you can see the live transcription happening in real time. It supports over 120 languages with automatic speaker recognition, and you can tag speakers manually if you need to. And here's a feature I really like: live notes. While the meeting is happening, you can type notes and they automatically link to the timestamp where you wrote them. So when you go back later, your notes are anchored to the exact moment in the conversation. All right, meeting's done. Now watch what happens next. Deliverable showcase, summary plus, shadow agent workflow. The moment the recording ends, TicNote Cloud automatically generates a summary. And this isn't one of those vague 2-paragraph summaries that misses all the detail. It pulls out key decisions, action items, and discussion points, structured and organized. For a 40-minute meeting, the summary alone would normally take me 20 minutes to write manually, done in seconds. But the summary is just the starting point. Here's where Shadow Agent takes over. And this is the part that changes everything. The workflow with Shadow is straightforward. I've already got my project set up. I move my recording into the project alongside those documents I uploaded earlier. Then I drag the target file, the recording, directly into Shadow Agent's chat, and I send my prompt. Shadow, using the full meeting transcript and the uploaded Q1 strategy document and content performance PDF, generate a strategic analysis report that covers our current content gaps, the key decisions made in this meeting, recommended next steps for Q2, and a priority action items table, output as a MD report. Look at this. It pulled specific discussion points from the transcript, cross-referenced them with the performance data from the uploaded PDF, and built a structured report with an executive summary, analysis sections, and an action items table at the end. Everything Shadow creates links back to the original meeting, fully traceable. You can click through and find the exact moment something was discussed. Now let me push this further. Shadow, take the strategic analysis report you just created and generate an interactive HTML web page that presents the Q2 content strategy visually. Include sections for current performance overview, strategic priorities, timeline, and team assignments. Use a clean, professional style. This is the part that genuinely surprised me. Shadow generated a fully functional, interactive web page, styled, structured, with sections you can scroll through and a clear visual hierarchy. You can download this, host it internally, or share the link directly with your team. Try getting that from a meeting transcription tool. Additional feature, mind map. But wait, there's one more output I want to show you because it's incredibly useful for visual thinkers and for presenting information to stakeholders who don't want to read a full report. TicNote Cloud can generate a mind map directly from your recording or from any content in your project. It takes all the key themes, decisions, subtopics, and action items and maps them out visually, showing how everything connects. This is perfect for team stand-ups, client presentations, or just getting a bird's eye view of a complex discussion. I use these mind maps as the starting point for team alignment meetings. Instead of everyone reading through a 15-page report, I pull up the mind map, walk through the branches, and we're aligned in 5 minutes. That's a workflow upgrade you feel immediately. Context, memory, and batch editing power. Here's where TicNote Cloud separates itself from everything else I've tested. Most AI tools keep context inside a single chat conversation. You get your output, the chat ends, and that context is gone. TicNote Cloud maintains context across every file in your project, permanently. So let's say 2 days later, we have a follow-up meeting where the team decides to shift priorities. I record that call, drop it into the same project, and tell Shadow what changed. Shadow, the team has decided to deprioritize the podcast strategy and instead double down on short-form video. Update the strategic analysis report and the interactive web page to reflect this change. Also generate a revised action item summary. Shadow updates all the documents in batch. It doesn't just find and replace a word. It restructures the relevant sections, adjusts the recommendations, and keeps everything aligned. Your project stays current without you manually touching a single file. That's what it means to have a living workspace instead of a collection of static documents. And because TicNote Cloud supports team collaboration with owner, editor, and viewer permissions, your whole team can work with Shadow inside the same project. No version chaos, no which doc is the latest conversations. Everyone's in sync. Here's what it comes down to. Traditional meeting tools stop at capture. Traditional collaboration tools start from scratch. TicNote Cloud connects both sides. Your meetings flow directly into finished work, and Shadow Agent is the bridge that makes it happen. Stop copy-pasting your life away. TicNote Cloud turns conversations into workable assets, from meeting content to deliverables in minutes, not days. If you're spending 4 to 8 hours a week turning meetings into documents, reports, and presentations, try TicNote Cloud and get that time back. I'll drop the link in the description below. You can sign up for free and start your first project in about 2 minutes. If you try it out, drop a comment and tell me what workflow you threw at Shadow. I'm genuinely curious to see what people build with this. If this was useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll keep testing tools like this so you don't have to waste money on things that don't deliver. I'll see you in the next one.